Happy Friday, sixth graders. We have officially made it through our first week of distance learning. So again, I hope that things are going well. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to start taking a look at our trade book that you got on that last day of school there. We're going to be start looking at My Side of the Mountain. So today's agenda is that you are going to be working on your bell ringer. So you'll be watching that short video and then answering the question that goes with it. And then we're going to be starting to look at My Side of the Mountain and looking at chapters 1 through 3. These chapters and questions are going to be due next Thursday. So you have about a week to read through these 3 chapters. It's only about 20 pages. And then you'll be answering a few comprehension questions with that. And then just a reminder to keep working on IXL C2, which will also be due next Thursday. So, My Side of the Mountain, our background. My Side of the Mountain was written in 1959 by Jean Craighead George. It is a heartwarming story about a boy, Sam Gribley, who is fed up with the city life and decides to run away to live in the Catskills Mountains with only $40, a penknife, a ball of cord, and flint and steel. So before we start reading, we're going to look at a few vocabulary words. You will have to find the definition for each of these words. We have diameter, trenches, cascade, flint, congregates, and lulled. Once you find the definition for those 6 words, you will then start looking at chapters 1 through 3. So you are going to be reading chapters 1 through 3, followed by a few comprehension questions and a summary. Be sure to read the chapters for answering the questions. You can preview and look at the questions before you start reading so that you know what you are looking for. Making sure that you are answering each question with a good paragraph, and it should be at a 6th grade level. You can always use examples from the story to help you with that. There might be a few questions that aren't going to necessarily require you to write a full paragraph, but especially when it's asking you to explain, those explain questions are going to be the ones that are going to be a little bit longer. And I will put a little star next to the ones that have to be the 5 to 8 sentences. Also in the Google Classroom, the 4 English teachers, 5 including Miss Tonder, we have each taken turns recording ourselves reading each chapter. So if you want to, there are 2 options. You can read the story on your own, or if you want to follow along as one of us teachers read the chapter, you're more than able to do that too. So we got a couple options with that. Once you are done, then I will have kind of a Google document here that has the the vocabulary words. So you'll just be typing in the definition behind. And then same with our comprehension questions. There's a few multiple choice ones, so you can always just select and highlight. There's a few fill in the blanks and then some questions. So the ones towards the bottom are going to be those explaining ones. So again, this is going to be due next Thursday. So you have about a week to read 20 pages. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know.